Cadillac colleagues and all the viewers who are viewing my this fourth episode of video based on communication. I'm sure you would have remembered my first communication video which was on power communication, where I have highlighted about the 9 points which are there on this power communication. The second video which I have released, which is basically on how we can improve the communication skills. The third video, I'm sure you would have endorsed about which are the 4 types of communication skills. Now, today I am here on my video where I am going to speak that how to speak or how to communicate well so that the other person or the group of the people will be able to understand us in a proper and a complete way. So, the first point comes in that is on the speak loudly and enough so that everyone should be able to hear what you are speaking. Because when you speak, people they hear, they don't listen. But if you are speaking very clearly and loudly, people will like to listen to you. Because listening is again 30% and hearing is 70% in the entire communication language. And once the people are going to listen, they will be able to understand you well what you want to communicate. The second part is very, very important. Please expand your vocabulary, which is very important. Vocabulary is like a small point which is being knit in a beautiful necklace. So that is the way the vocabulary make lot of a difference in any type of the communication or in the spoken language, speaking well. The third is avoid excessive slang. We are an Indian, we have to behave like an Indian. We should not be adopting a different type of the slang which somebody should be thinking that is going over the head. The fourth important thing is don't be afraid to pause. Here I want to give a beautiful example. We all listen the news readers very carefully. Have you noticed? The news reader, when they speak, they clear the entire sentence and they give a pause. In some of the places they emphasize, some of the places they modulate the thing, which is very important in times of communication. The other point is use gestures, which is important, like I am using. But not too much of it, because the too much, then the people will start seeing your different gestures, they will not be able to listen what you are communicating to them. Be more concise. Last communication video, I also said that it should be a KISS strategy, KISS strategy. Keep it short and simple. So, the entire your communication should be kissed, but it should be full of content, because content is a key word. Content is everything what you want to inform to the people. Then repeat your main points, like the way when I started this my fourth video, I repeated my 3 different points of the videos which I have communicated. So same thing is repeating the main points is going to make a lot of difference. And in the last but not the least, please start giving us some beautiful examples to grab your audience when you are talking with the audience. Because audience, there's so many people out there, there's so many things there in their mind. But if you are going to give an example which is going to stuck directly in their mind, they will be very conscious and they will be listening you, and that is going to add a lot of value in terms of your communication. So today I want to repeat what I spoke about the communicating well is speak loudly, expand your vocabulary, avoid excessive slang, don't be afraid to pause on the things, use gestures but not too much, be more concise, KISS the strategy, repeat your main points regularly and use concrete examples to grab your audience to make them understand what you have conveyed. With this, once again, I wish you a great evening and again see you in the next week with some of the new things on the communication. Thank you and have a great evening ahead.